We're too close to the sun! Wait, no, are we?
Relax, we're still safe.
Wait, are we in space?
Not just space, something much bigger. It looks like a tiny marble. And that's just the beginning. This is our galaxy. And we're right here.
That tiny?
Billions of stars, just like our sun.
1, 2, 3. Okay, that's too many.
Each star can have its own planets.
Spacewalking takes practice.
I call it space dancing.
That bright giant is the sun, a massive ball of hot glowing gas.
How hot are we talking? Like spicy curry hot?
Much hotter, around 5,500 degrees Celsius on the surface.
Okay, no sunscreen is saving us from that. Woo-hoo!
Light from the sun travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second.
That's faster than anything I've ever seen.
Even then, it takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth.
So we're seeing sunlight from the past?
Exactly.
These are the inner planets.
Mercury is tiny, Venus is super hot, Earth is our home.
And Mars is the red planet.
Future cat colony?
Maybe one day.
A day is how long a planet takes to spin once.
So, some planets have super long days?
Venus has the longest day. One day there lasts about 243 Earth days.
243 days for one day? I'd still be brushing my teeth.
I'm melting just looking at it.
Venus traps heat with thick clouds.
Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system.
I feel like a space speck.
And look at Saturn's beautiful rings.
Saturn has style. Intergalactic fashion icon. I'm gonna stand on the rings.
They're not solid, Charlie.
I regret this decision. Why are space rocks flying everywhere?
This is the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter.
Good thing they're small. I don't want a space bump. This feels like flying through a painting.
Out of everything we've seen, this is home. And it's perfect. Our planet has a special shield called the atmosphere.
Like an invisible force field?
Yes, and the magnetic field helps protect us too.
Ugh. I like my fur not toasted.
Uranus and Neptune are icy giants far from the sun.
So cold, even my whiskers would freeze.
And that's our solar system.
Mission complete!
Quick question, which planet is closest to the sun?
Mars, Earth, or Mercury?
Correct, Mercury!
My brain just leveled up. Do they have snacks on Mars?
Keep wondering.
Keep discovering.
Bye, friends.